Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be showing you how to make money online by selling digital products through your own website. If you've ever wanted to turn your skills, knowledge, or creativity into a profitable online business, then this video is for you. We'll cover everything from finding the right product to sell, analyzing market trends, evaluating profitability, and getting set up with the best website builder that we recommend, Hostinger. So be sure to stick around for the entire video because I'll be showing you how to get the best deal with your Hostinger website later on. So what exactly are digital products? Simply put, digital products are products that can be sold and distributed instantly online. They include things like ebooks, online courses, software, stock photos, digital art, music, and much more. The beauty of digital products is that once created, they can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory or shipping. This makes them incredibly cost effective and scalable. Types of digital products. Let's take a deeper look into the different types of digital products that you can sell. First up is ebooks. These are perfect for authors or experts in a particular field. Ebooks are popular because they're easy to create and distribute. Online courses. You can share your knowledge through structured courses. These can be in video format, written format, or a combination of both. Software and apps. If you have programming skills, developing software or mobile apps can be highly lucrative. Stock photos and videos. Photographers and videographers can sell their own work on various different platforms. Digital art. Graphic designers can sell illustrations, icons, fonts, and other digital artwork. Music and audio. Musicians and audio engineers can sell tracks, beats, sound effects, and more. So why sell digital products? Well, there are several compelling reasons on why you should try to sell digital products. The first one is low overhead costs. You don't need to worry about manufacturing, shipping, or inventory storage. There's high profit margins. So without the costs associated with physical goods, you can enjoy higher profit margins. Global reach. Digital products can be sold to anyone, anywhere in the world instantly. Passive income potential. Once your digital product is created and your sales process is automated, you can generate income passively. Easy to scale. As demand increases, you can easily scale up your sales without additional costs. Environmentally friendly. Digital products reduce the need for physical resources, making them a greener option. Finding your niche. Before you start creating your digital product, it's crucial to identify a profitable niche. And here's how to get started. Market research. Analyze market trends. Use tools like Google Trends, Ask the Public, and ChatGPT to see what people are searching for. This will give you an idea of what's popular and in demand. For example, if you see a rising trend in vegan recipes, you might consider creating an ebook or a video course on this topic. Keyword search. Utilize Google Ads Keyword Planner to find high volume, low competition keywords. This helps you identify specific niches with good demand but less competition. Check out the competition. Look at the top ranking pages for your chosen keywords. See what they're doing well and where there might be gaps or opportunities for you to offer something unique. Forums and social media. Participate in forums and social media groups related to your potential niche. See what questions people are asking and what problems they're facing. This can give you valuable insight into what digital products might be in demand. Evaluating profitability and demand. Once you have a niche in mind, evaluate its profitability and demand using these metrics. Profitability metrics. Gross profit margin. The percentage of revenue that remains after subtracting the cost of goods sold. For digital products, this is typically very high since the cost of goods sold is minimal. Net profit margin. The percentage of revenue left after all expenses are deducted. This includes marketing, hosting fees, and any software subscriptions that you might need. Return on investment, or ROI. This compares the net profit to the investment cost to measure profitability. For digital products, the initial investment is often low, making the ROI potentially very high. Demand metrics. Sales revenue. Total revenue generated from sales over a specific period. Tracking this over time will help you see growth trends. Unit sales. Number of products sold in a given period. This helps you understand the volume of demand. Customer acquisition rate. The rate at which you acquire new customers. A higher rate indicates growing interest in your product. Customer lifetime value. The total revenue expected from a customer throughout their relationship with your business. This can help you plan long-term strategies. Creating a unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition is what sets your product apart from the competition. It should clearly communicate the benefits and value of your product. Consider the following when crafting your UVP. Solve a problem. Address a specific pain point that your target audience faces. For example, if you're creating a digital course, ensure that it solves a specific problem or teaches a valuable skill. Offer superior quality. Ensure that your product is of high quality and provides a great user experience. High resolution images, clear and concise writing, and professional design can make a big difference. Provide added value. Offer something extra that competitors don't, such as has personalized support, additional resources, or lifetime updates. Digital product ideas. Here are some popular and profitable digital product ideas to consider. Ebooks are one of the most accessible digital products to create. They don't require any special equipment beyond a computer and software for writing and designing. Choose a subject that you're passionate about and that has a proven demand. Research your target audience thoroughly to ensure that your content is relevant and valuable to them. You can use free tools like Canva or Adobe Express to design your ebook. Ensure it's visually appealing and easy to read. Once your ebook is ready, you can sell it on your own website. Online courses. With the rise of e-learning, online courses have become incredibly popular. They allow you to share your expertise and help others while generating income. Start by outlining your course content. Break it down into modules and lessons. Plan your production timeline, including scripting, filming, and editing. Invest in a good quality camera and microphone for recording. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve to edit your videos. Use your own website to sell courses directly for more control over branding and pricing. Membership sites. Membership sites offer exclusive content or services for a subscription fee, providing a steady stream of recurring revenue. Create valuable, exclusive content that your audience cannot get elsewhere. This could include premium articles, videos, webinars, or one-on-one coaching. Foster a sense of community among your members by encouraging interaction through forums or live chats. This will help retain members and build loyalty. Use Hostinger to set up and manage your membership site. Choosing Hostinger for your website. The best way to sell digital products is through your own website, and Hostinger is the perfect platform to help you get started. Here's why. Affordability. Hostinger offers competitive pricing, making it an excellent choice for beginners and small businesses to get started. Ease of use. With Hostinger's intuitive interface and easy-to-use website builder, you can set up your online store quickly and efficiently. Performance. Hostinger provides fast loading speeds and reliable uptime, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. Customization. Hostinger allows you to fully customize your website, giving you complete control over its design and functionality. E-commerce features. Hostinger's e-commerce functionality supports up to 500 products, allows effective order management, and integrates numerous payment processors. You can start by signing up with Hostinger and choosing a plan that suits your needs. We recommend Hostinger because it offers a user-friendly platform, making it perfect for beginners who have never built a website before. If you want to get started with Hostinger today, go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. From here, you can go ahead and just click on Start Now, and that'll bring you down to Hostinger's different options. They have a premium plan, a business plan, and a cloud startup plan. But for most of you watching this, the premium plan is more than enough to get started, and it comes in at under $3 per month. On the premium plan, you can build up to 100 different websites. It supports about 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 400,000 files and directories, pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress auto updates, standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, and more. So go ahead and click on Choose Plan to get started. And then from here, you can go ahead and select the term that you want to commit to. There's a 1-month option, a 12-month option, a 24-month option, and a 48-month option. We recommend choosing any of these except for the 1-month option because you're not going to see much savings at all. So let's go ahead and click on the 12-month option here. What you're going to want to do next is come down here to the coupon code area and click on that. And if you type in my first website, hit apply, you're going to get even greater savings. So for only $32.29, you can get a year of website hosting. Now, Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason in the first 30 days you're not happy with it, you can go ahead and get your money back. So again, be sure to use the link down in the description to get started with Hostinger and use code MYFIRSTWEBSITE at checkout. Now, this video isn't going to be a tutorial on how to set up your website. We have other videos on the channel for that, so be sure to go and check those out. Marketing your digital products. Marketing is key to driving traffic and sales. Here are some effective strategies. To effectively market your digital products and drive traffic to your website, leveraging powerful SEO tools is essential. SEMrush is an invaluable resource for optimizing your content, conducting keyword research, and analyzing your competitors. You can try SEMrush for free with a 14-day trial by clicking the link down in the description below. You can use SEMrush to discover high-ranking keywords, track your site's performance, and implement strategies to boost your online visibility and sales. For more detailed tutorials on SEMrush, check out other videos on our channel. Email marketing. Build an email list. Offer a freebie, such as a discount code or a valuable piece of content, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Send regular updates. Keep your subscribers engaged with regular updates, promotions, and valuable content. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your campaigns. Personalize your emails. Personalize your emails based on subscribers' interests and behaviors. This can help increase open rates and conversions. Paid advertising. Google Ads. Run targeted ads on Google to reach potential customers who are searching for products like yours. Use Google's keyword planner to find the best keywords to target. Social media ads. Use Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest ads to reach a wider audience. These platforms allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Retargeting ads. Use retargeting ads to reach people who have visited your site but didn't make a purchase. These ads can help remind them of your product and encourage them to return and buy. Affiliate marketing. Partner with influencers. Work with influencers or bloggers in your niche who can promote your products to their audience. Offer them a commission for every sale that they generate. Create an affiliate program. Set up an affiliate program using platforms like Share a Sale or CJ Affiliate. This allows anyone to promote your products and earn a commission on sales. Provide marketing materials. Give your affiliates marketing materials such as banners, email templates, and social media posts to help them promote your products effectively. Selling digital products online is a fantastic way to turn your skills and passions into a profitable business. By following these steps, finding your niche, evaluating profitability, creating a UVP, and choosing Hostinger as your platform, setting up your store, and marketing your products, you can set yourself up for success in 2024 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to My First Website for more tips on building and growing your online presence. Also, be sure to use the link down in the description and the discount code MyFirstWebsite to get the best deal with Hostinger. These are affiliate links and they do help out the channel, so if you do end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.